In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a QR code for Calendly. Whether you're organizing meetings, setting up appointments, or simply trying to streamline how others can access your scheduling page, creating a QR code for your Calendly event can be incredibly useful. It not only simplifies the sharing process, but also adds a professional touch to your digital and print materials. To begin, we'll first log into your Calendly account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific event type that you want to share. This could be anything from a 30-minute introductory call to a comprehensive consultation session. Once you've selected the event, you'll notice an option to share it. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see your unique scheduling link, which might look something like this: https://calendly.com, your name 30 marundetimmers. Make sure to copy that link, as it's essential for the next steps. Now that you have your scheduling link, it's time to generate the QR code itself. There are several tools available for this purpose, and many of them are quite user-friendly. If you're using Google Chrome, you can take advantage of its built-in Create QR Code feature, right from your Calendly page. Alternatively, Canva offers a QR code app, which is quite popular for its design capabilities. Adobe Express also has a handy QR code generator. Lastly, there's a QR Code Monkey, another reliable tool with several customization options. Once you've chosen a generator, all you need to do is paste your Calendly URL into the designated area and generate the QR code. The process only takes a few moments, and once it's complete, you'll have your very own QR code ready to use. The final step is downloading your brand new QR code. The format you choose will depend on how you plan to use it. If you're thinking about incorporating it into websites or sharing it on social media, then a PNG format is your best bet, as it's versatile and commonly used online. If you need the QR code for professional printing purposes or want to ensure that it remains sharp when resized, then consider downloading it as an SVG, which is perfect for high-quality outputs. For those looking to incorporate the QR code into print-ready documents, keep an eye out for a PDF option, though not all generators offer this. There you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Calendly event, making it easier to share and convenient for others to scan and schedule appointments with you. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.